That's actually a puddle. This is no good at all.
When we wake, hear the birds and see the sun. Side by side our fears are done. Oh, the good times just begun. We know what we have, let's hold on tight. Found what we're looking for in life. Call us crazy, but things are finally right. With you and I, the future is bright. Oh, you and I, we got it. Oh, we don't need no can weather any storm.
I'm climbing up to a saddle that's about 550 meters high, and I'm almost up to it at the moment. I was hoping for some good views, but the weather's really closing in. Just with cloud, I don't think we're going to get any rain up here. I'm picking that this is the saddle just through here, and then we're going down the other side, but you can see the cloud is actually coming from that side.
Call us crazy, but things are finally right. With you and I, the future is bright. Oh, you and I, we got it. Oh, we don't need no more.
That's actually a puddle. This is no good at all, and it's dripping off up there. The tent started leaking during the night. There was a huge amount of rain. When I was putting it up, it was starting to spit then, and then as the evening went on, the rain got heavier. Fortunately, this is a commercial campsite, and there's hot pools here. Went for a swim in the hot pool, but when I came back and opened up the tent, the water was already dripping in onto the sleeping bag, so not ideal. Wasn't going to be a nice night, and I suspected that might happen, which is why I chose this campsite with an alternative, which was to go and get one of the cabins for the night. So I actually had a really comfortable night. Unfortunately, decided after 25 years this tent has done its last night, and so it's going to be packed up, and I'm not going to carry it back over the mountain. It is going to end up in a rubbish bin at this camp.
How many smiles does it take to be happy? How many times do you have to feel lonely before you get the chance to meet someone, before you get to meet someone like you? How many songs can you write about heartbreak? How to go when you're fed up with mistakes?
I've got back to the river crossing that yesterday I walked through, wanting to try and cross it this time, just rock hopping, but being mindful not to slip on the rocks, and it might be just a little bit deeper than it was yesterday because of the rain that we had overnight, but I'm going to give it a shot.
Together, let the wind blow. All we need is each other. Come take my hand, you're all that I have now. I won't let you go, 'cause I found all the answers in you. Ooh, ooh, ooh.
I have a feeling the track is going to go around that knob over there and somewhere through there.
Take me away. I'm okay if I got you. We don't have to stay. We can do what we want to. Just give a little bit of your heart. Give a little bit of your heart to me. All of my scars start to heal when I'm with you, and I can't explain how I feel when I'm with you. Just give a little bit of your heart. Give a little bit of your heart to me. Just come give me all your love. I want you to know we can make it together. Let the wind blow. All we need is each other. Come take my hand, you're all that I have now. I won't let you go, 'cause I found all the answers in you. Ooh, 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 ooh. Take me away. I'm okay if I got you. We don't have to stay. We can do what we want to. Baby, I just found the answers. Baby, I just found the answers in you.